Did you know that your metabolism isn't just about how fast you burn calories? It's actually about how well your body converts food into energy. Metabolism is a continuous process that your body uses to keep everything functioning. It's not solely about the speed at which you burn off that extra slice of pizza, but also about how efficiently your body uses the nutrients it obtains from your diet. Now that we've learned this surprising fact, let's dive into the list of foods that can supercharge your metabolism. First up on our list, we have green tea. A powerhouse of benefits, green tea is more than just a soothing beverage. It's a metabolism booster, thanks to its rich content of catechins, a type of antioxidant that triggers the release of fat from fat cells and accelerates the liver's capacity for turning fat into energy. But that's not all. Green tea is also known for its thermogenic properties. Simply put, it helps your body burn calories by increasing heat production, even when you're at rest. So while you're enjoying that warm cup of green tea, your body is working behind the scenes, turning up the heat on your metabolism. And let's not forget the antioxidants. Green tea is loaded with them, offering protection against harmful free radicals and contributing to overall health. So, next time you're looking for a morning pick-me-up, why not reach for a cup of green tea? It's a small change that could make a big difference. So, consider swapping your morning coffee for a cup of green tea to give your metabolism a boost. Next on our list is a spicy addition, chili peppers. Known for their fiery kick, chili peppers do more than just spice up your meals. They also turn up the heat on your metabolism. The secret behind this metabolic boost is a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin is the substance that gives chili peppers their signature heat. It's a thermogenic chemical, which means it helps increase your metabolic rate by raising your body temperature. As your body works to cool itself down, it burns more calories, effectively turning your body into a fat-burning machine. But that's not all. Capsaicin also has appetite-suppressing properties, meaning it can help you eat less and feel satisfied for longer. It's a 1-2 punch for weight management. So the next time you're cooking, don't shy away from adding a dash of chili to your dishes. It might make you sweat, but remember, that's just your metabolism working overtime. A little spice can go a long way in turning up your metabolic heat. Moving on to a less fiery food, whole grains are next on our list. Whole grains such as brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting metabolism. Unlike their refined counterparts, whole grains are rich in fiber, a nutrient that your body must work harder to break down. This process, in turn, increases your metabolism and burns more calories. Moreover, whole grains have a lower glycemic index, which means they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels. This reduces the insulin response in your body, further aiding in the metabolism process. So whether it's your morning bowl of oatmeal, a slice of whole grain toast at lunch, or a dinner side of brown rice, incorporating whole grains into your meals can be a simple and effective way to give your metabolism a lift. Whole grains are not only filling, but they also keep your metabolism humming. Our next metabolism booster is lean proteins. Let's dive into the science of it. You see, proteins are like a mini workout for your body. Digesting them requires more energy compared to fats or carbohydrates. This process, known as the thermic effect of food, essentially gives your metabolism a little boost every time you consume protein. Now, not all proteins are created equal. We're focusing on lean proteins, the ones that are low in fat but high in nutritional value. Think chicken breast, turkey, or fish like salmon and trout. These foods are not only great sources of protein, but they also provide essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids. Other fantastic options include eggs, cottage cheese, and legumes such as lentils and chickpeas. These foods are versatile, making it easy to incorporate them into your meals. And there you have it. Including lean proteins in your diet can help keep your metabolism revved up. So why not try adding some to your next meal? Last on our list, but certainly not least, are citrus fruits. These delightful fruits are not only refreshing and tangy, but they also carry a secret weapon for your metabolism: vitamin C. Yes, that's right. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are bursting with this potent antioxidant. Vitamin C not only boosts your immune system, but it also plays a crucial role in fat oxidation. This process helps your body to break down fats more effectively, which in turn revs up your metabolism. But that's not all. Citrus fruits are also rich in fiber, which slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This can prevent overeating and help to maintain a healthy weight. And let's not forget the hydration factor. Citrus fruits have a high water content, which helps keep your body hydrated and your metabolism functioning at its best. So, don't forget to add some citrus zest to your diet for a metabolic boost. So, we've covered 5 foods that can give your metabolism a boost. Let's take a moment to recap. First up, we have green tea, rich in antioxidants and known for its metabolism-boosting properties. It's a delightful way to jumpstart your day or to enjoy as a calming afternoon ritual. Next, we talked about chili peppers, a fiery addition to your meals that can ignite your metabolism. But remember, moderation is key. We don't want to set your taste buds on fire, just your metabolism. We then moved on to whole grains. These complex carbohydrates require more energy to break down, thus giving your metabolism a little workout. Plus, they keep you feeling full and satisfied, curbing those pesky cravings. Lean proteins also made the list. Whether it's chicken, fish, or plant-based options, these foods require a significant amount of energy to digest, which in turn revs up your metabolism. Finally, we discussed citrus fruits. These vitamin C powerhouses not only boost your immune system, but they also provide a gentle nudge to your metabolism. But let's not forget, while these foods can help boost your metabolism, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet. It's not just about one food or another. It's about creating a harmonious symphony of nutrients for your body. Remember, a healthy metabolism is a key part of overall wellness. So, make sure to fuel it with the right foods.